This 2020 Coachmen Chaparral 360 IBL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, full wall slide, kitchen island, mid-bunk, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Coachmen Chaparral 360 IBL is 11,450 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.